Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to be reviewing time to the half hour. So you are given a time on each of the clocks, and I want you to draw the time that it shows. So the first one's been done for us, and it's 8:30. So let's do the second one. 2:30. Remember the minute hand always points to the 6 when it's a 30. Okay, so the next one is 10:30. So we're going to go halfway between the 10 and the 11 and then down to the 6. Okay, next one is 1:30, so 1:30. Next one is 11:30, so halfway past 11 and then down to the 6. 9:30, 9:30. And then we have 3:30. The next one is 6:30, so halfway between 6 and 7 and 30. The next one we have is 12:30, so here and here. We have 3 more. We have 4:30, so halfway after the 4 down to the 30. 7:30. And the last one is 5:30. Okay, on the back side, we're going to do some 2-digit addition. So we have the answers in the eggs at the top, and we have to decide where they go. So what we do is we add the 10s and the 1s. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4. So we have done 74, so you can cross off 74. The next one, 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. So we're going to cross off 69. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6, so this one is 66. The next one we have 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. So 89. Okay. I will do a couple more with you, and then I want you to finish the rest on your own. So we just add the 10s here, so 5, and then 4 plus 5 is 9, and that one is 59, so let's cross it off. And I will do one more with you. 4 plus 2 is 6, 0 plus 7 is 7, okay? So go ahead and answer the last 6 on your own, and then do what your teacher would have you do next.